Okay, here we go. So if you hearken back to that overview slide, hopefully you recall that we presented the process for generating these AI avatar news reports as being comprised of 5 steps. Step 1, research. Step 2, write a script. Step 3, convert that script into audio using 11 labs. Then we're going to have to generate public Dropbox share links of the audio files that we generate and store into Dropbox because we're going to reference them later, right? Step 4, we generate AI avatar videos using that generated audio using n8n. And then once we have those videos generated, we store them in Dropbox and then generate public share links for them because we're going to use them in the next step, right? Where we stitch everything together, right? So step 5, or the last step of this overview, is where we stitch all of the media assets that we've built into one final video. Make sense? Cool. Here you can see that we've implemented this AI avatar news report generation process in n8n. Now that you understand the high-level overview, you can implement it however you like in make.com. You can even code it with Cursor or Cloud Code. Use whatever you prefer. But in this video, obviously, we're going to be using n8n to show how it works. To map what we're looking at in n8n back to that overview slide, we've combined steps 1, 2, 3 of the overview into this automation labeled part 1, right? So if we click in here, this automation or workflow implements steps 1, 2, 3 of the overview page. On the overview page, you can see that italicized text. That's what this workflow called utility generate Dropbox share links does, right? So the way this is intended to be used is after you run part 1, you then will run this workflow, right? The generate Dropbox share links workflow. If you look back on the overview page, that then brings us to step 4, right? The generate AI avatar videos step. That is implemented in n8n here with the workflows labeled part 2, which we've given you 2 variations of, right? Part 2A and part 2B. Part 2B will generate AI avatar video clips for the entire news report. And part 2A will generate an AI avatar video of one scene or one segment of your overall news report. Because as you'll perhaps see, when you try to generate them all at once, right? When you try to generate every AI avatar video back to back, the n8n API seems to have some issues and sometimes will error out when generating one of your videos. So if that's the case, we've offered you this workflow, right? Part 2A. You can use this to render or retry whichever AI avatar video generations fail for you. And then once we have our AI avatar videos generated and stored in Dropbox, we're going to run this utility workflow or automation again, right? The utility generate Dropbox share links workflow. And that's going to bring us to the final step where we stitch everything together, right? So we do that with the part 3 automations or workflows. Excuse me if it's a little confusing, but I've explained the mapping from the overview slide to how it's implemented in n8n. So we're now going to refer to it how it's implemented, right? So we're never going to take a look at the overview slide from this point forward in this video. Now that you are ready, right? You have a full understanding of what's going on here. Let's actually generate a video together.